nandito tayo sa first level ng ating villa for today. If you notice, napakalaki ng living area natin. Actually, included na dito yung dining area, which sobrang luxurious ng table natin. Tingnan nyo naman. So, this can accommodate 2, 4, 5, up until 12 persons at a time. Ayan. And then we also have our living area or the entertainment na rin. So, we have this really huge LCD TV screen. Ayan. So, built-in na po yan for our Netflix, and everything. And then dito sa far side naman ng first floor natin, meron tayong kitchen. So it has the faucet and sink. Meron din tayong stove. Kompleto na rin yan with the gas tank. And then meron tayong counter table dito in which, pagkatapos nating i-prepare yung pagkain, we can put it here and then serve na natin dito sa table natin. Guys, meron tayong tatlong rooms. So the first one is kung saan pumasok si Joyce, and we have in the middle and then in the last room, and nandun sa section na yun. So pasok muna tayo dito sa first room and tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob niya. Look at that! So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double decks na bed. Baba na portion ng double deck natin is good for 2, and then yung sa second level naman is good for 1 person. So all in all, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, almost 12 persons. Pwede po silang mag-stay dito. And what I like about this is sobrang neat, no? Sobrang ganda ng lugar. And then ang laki ng window natin dito. Meron siyang view nung pinaka parang lawn natin dito. Ayun, so tignan naman natin yung second room, which is in the middle. Hi Joyce! Ayan. So this is the second room. This one has 2 double deck beds. Similar to the first room, yung bottom bed natin is good for 2 person. Yung pinaka second level naman natin is good for 1 naman yan. Let's look at the last room. And nga pala, so before we go there, so meron tayong common toilet and bath dito. And then this is the master's bedroom. So meron siyang dalawang king size bed. Up until 2 or 3 person, yan, pwede siya dito. Nasabi ko ba, each room has air conditioning. And then this one, meron tayong television dito. Ang ganda. Hi, Mommy! Mommy! Hi, Luis! Luis, say hi! Tumingin. Bang! Right. Asya Dudes. Oh, yeah. Number 1. Meron Pampanga, number 1. Okay, Billiards. Good morning guys. What a night. Grabe yung celebration kagabi dito. Ayan. So you can actually hold your party here, no? So included yan dun sa package natin, which we will be sharing. Good morning. What a great morning. Sarap ng feeling pag umaga dito. Right, so final meal of the day. So meron tayong, anong tawag dito? Dinding. So meron tayong tagilo, meron tayong nanokas kasi ko rin, tilapia, bangus, salad, at saka nihaw. Final meal of the day. Ooh! I like this. Tinapa. And sisig. Ay, sisig pa pala. Wow. Tapos dito, merong papaitan, guys. Papaitan. Kagabi to, tira namin to. Oh, look at that. Papaitan. And dito talaga sa stay namin, sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga bata. And since this is also their day off, ganyan, from the school, for a while, ngayon lang talaga nakalabas ng bahay due to the pandemic. Talagang nag-enjoy ang mga bata dito. Isa, Isa, can you swim? From there. Swim from there, tapos punta ka dito. Hi, Chin. Say hi. Baby, say hi. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Thank you so much, CALIRA and Cheska, for inviting us. Grabe, sobrang saya ng birthday celebration ko dahil dito nga naganap yan dito sa private resort na to. If you're interested to check them out, so we're gonna be included yung fan page po and the contact numbers you need to call. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye, guys.